Hi, this is Marcia. Today we're talking about a get to know you activity that works. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. We're excited to have you here today, and I wanted to take time to share out one of my favorite icebreakers I did over the summer at my conferences and my workshops. This is a fun one to get started with. The participants come in early. You can have them go ahead and get started doing this, and then they can talk about themselves with each other throughout the workshop. So let's go ahead and talk about the connections activity. So this one I did find from a blog post from TCEA, and I love this one because I played this game and I never thought about, I could actually do this in my classroom. It's called Connections, and there's a new connection every day on New York Times, and it's actually a good challenge where you have to find things that align. So like if you're looking at these words, you have to find 4 words that are actually connected in some way. Can you figure it out? All right, I'm not going to give you the answer. I want you to be able to go in and try it yourself. But this is kind of a fun thing that we do. So during my workshop, what I would do is I gave them this little activity. It was part of their packet. And on the first page, it says, making connections. Gave them the directions. Write down 4 words that describe you, your favorite activity, describe your family. Now, that was a fun one. And then your favorite foods that you like to eat. And so then, of course, they put the words, just writing it down. We didn't have them go anywhere yet. Then in my workshop where I needed a quick little brain break, or I wanted them to actually get to know somebody beside them, I went and I said, I turn your connections into a game. So they went into this website, they put in their information, and then they had somebody see if they could make the connections. This was a big win. Everybody loved this activity. In fact, they were even sending it to their spouses while they were sitting in our workshop saying, can you figure out what the connections? And it was just a lot of fun. Then we brought it back and we said, well, how can we do this in your classroom? And we talked about like different types of character traits. We talked about events. We talked about different types of artwork. We talked about different vocabulary words that we could use for math class. There were so many different ideas, and teachers really liked this one just as a get-to-know-you activity for inside their classroom. So, looking for a good get-to-know-you activity for adults or students, go to Making Connections, a great one that just is kind of fun and gets the kids talking.